Dear friends, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching food machinery in 5th semester of BE. Today we will study the Pelton turbine. Some numericals we will do. The penstock supplies water from a reservoir to the Pelton wheel with a gross head of 500 meter. One third of gross head is lost in friction in the penstock. The rate of flow of water through nozzle fitted at the end of penstock is 2 meter cube per second. The angle of deflection of the jet is 165 degree. Determine the power given by the water to the runner and also hydraulic efficiency of the Pelton wheel. The speed ratio is equal to 0.45 and CV equal to 1. Here the data given are Hg gross head equal to 500 meter, head loss in friction, this is Hg by 3, one third of Hg it has given, so this is 500 by 3, that is equal to 166.7 meter. Net head, so net head equal to Hg minus HF, that is 500 minus 166.7, so this comes 333.3 meter. Q discharge is given 2 meter cube per second. Angle of deflection is given 165 degree. So angle phi equal to 180 minus 165 equal to 15 degree. Value of angle phi. Speed ratio is 0.45. Speed ratio 0.45 and CV coefficient of velocity is given 1. Now we have to calculate velocity of jet. V1 equal to CV root 2 GH. This data given is better if we write in concise form in one side, then start solving the question. At that time we don't forget anything what to do, or we will not miss any of the point. So putting here the value CV equal to 1 root 2 into 9.81 into H is 333.3. So here the value of V1 is 80.86 meter per second. 80.86 meter per second. Now we have to find out the U velocity of wheel equal to 5 root 2 GH. This is value of phi is 0.45. 0.45 into 2, 9.81 into 333.3 this value of U comes 36.387 meter per second. Now we have to make the velocity triangle, and from that we have to calculate VR1 equal to V1 minus U1. So it is very important to make velocity diagram, velocity triangle. This is 80.86 minus 36.387. This is point. So the value of VR1 is 473 meter per second, and VW1 is also V1, so this is 80.86 meter per second. This is the velocity triangle of the Pelton wheel turbine. Here in this question, the angle of deflection is given 165 degree. Here V1 equal to VW1, and other is the same in all the questions. So this is very important to draw this velocity triangle, otherwise some marks may be cut. Now we have calculated VW1 equal to U1, and now from velocity triangle VR2 equal to VR1 equal to 44.473. Now VR2 equal to VR1 equal to 44.473 meter per second, and next VR2 cos phi equal to U2 plus VW2. Here VR2 cos phi is U2 plus VW2 from this velocity, outlet velocity triangle. Putting the values here, this is 44.473 cos 15 equal to U2 is 36.387 plus VW2. So here the value of VW2 comes 6.57 meter per second. Now we have to calculate the work done on the runner per second is given by work done is given by rho A V1 VW1 plus VW2 into U, and as we know, A into V can be replaced by this, AV can be replaced by Q. So putting the values of rho 1000 for water, and this is Q, so Q is given 2 meter cube per second, and these are 80.86 plus 6.578 into U is 36.387. The value of work done comes 6362630 and this is Newton meter per second, or this can be watt. So we have to find the power in kilowatt. So this is divided by 1000. So this is 63,362.63 kilowatt is the power. And now we have to find the hydraulic efficiency. Here, hydraulic efficiency, eta hydraulic equal to 2 VW1 plus VW2 into U is divided by V1 square. Putting the values here, 2 into 80.86 plus 6.57 into 36.387 is divided by 80.86 square. So this hydraulic efficiency is 0.9731 equal to 97.31% of this Pentel wind turbine. Next numerical, 2 jet strike the bucket of Pelton wheel which is having shaft power as 15,450 kilowatt. The diameter of each jet is given 200 mm. If the net head on turbine is 400 meter, find the overall efficiency of the turbine. Take CV equal to 1. Here the data given is number of jet equal to 2, shaft power equal to 15,450 kilowatt, diameter of each jet is given 200 mm. That is equal to 0.2 meter. So we have to find out the area of jet equal to pi by 4 b square, that is pi by 4.2 square. This area comes 0.0314 16 meter square. Net head is given 400 meter. Coefficient of velocity CV is given 1, and we have to calculate V1 velocity of jet equal to CV root 2gh. Putting the values 1, 2 into 9.81 into 400. Here the value of velocity of jet is given calculated 88.58 meter per second. Discharge of EJ, discharge Q equal to A V1 equal to 0.031416 into velocity is 88.58. So this comes, discharge is 2.78 meter cube per second. So the total discharge Q equal to 2 into 2.78. So this is total discharge comes 5.56 meter cube per second. 5.56 meter cube per second, and we have to find the power at the inlet of turbine, that is water power at the inlet of turbine, that is rho G QH, rho G QH by 1000 for power in kilowatt, putting the value of rho 1000 for water, and this is 9.81, Q is 5.56. This is because of two jets are there, and H is given 400 meter by 1000 get cancelled, and this value is of water power is 21,817.44 kilowatt, and the overall efficiency eta overall is equal to shaft power by water power, that is equal to 15,450 by 21,817.44. So this overall efficiency is 0.708, that is equal to 70.8% is the efficiency of this turbine. The questions here, and you have to solve similar questions from the university question paper and do practice. It is very important